the internet safely, it is important to ensure that we have strong and unique password to all online accounts. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, and regularly update your software and security settings. Additionally, be cautious when sharing personal information online, and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from unknown sources. And also, there are different information threats on the internet, including identity theft, harassment, online harassment, computer viruses, data theft, and phishing attacks. So these threats can have serious consequences ranging from financial loss to emotional distress. So it is important to stay vigilant, use strong password, and be cautious when sharing personal information online to mitigate this risk and protect oneself from online threats. To encouraging people to apply the guidelines to proper etiquette online can be done by raising awareness about the impact of their online behavior on others, promoting empathy and respect in digital interactions, and providing clear guidelines and examples of acceptable online conduct, and also emphasizing the importance of responsible digital citizenship and the potential consequences of inappropriate behavior can help individuals understand the need for proper etiquette online. Additionally, fostering a positive and inclusive online community through education and moderation can create an environment where people feel encouraged to follow proper etiquette.